Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to unhide song on Spotify. So first thing is open the Spotify application of yours and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you have been logged in into the Spotify account, what you need to do is you need to go to the playlist or an album with the song that you want to unhide. So what you need to do is you need to open a playlist or an album that has the song you had previously hidden. I'm just gonna tap on the Daily Mix one, and here you tap on more, and here are the songs that I have hidden in this. And if I scroll down, you can see those are the songs that I have hidden on this playlist, which means it won't play those songs when I play this playlist or Daily Mix either on shuffle or on other. But to unhide them all you have to do is tap on the three dotted line beside the name or the song, tap that, and you will have the option hidden, and you tap that. This will unhide the song, meaning that the song will be played in this playlist. I can now listen to that song again and it won't be hidden from the normal play or shuffle play. Likewise, if I tap on that, tap on hidden, that song will be unhide from the list. So this is a way how you can unhide songs on Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.